Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to replace the display in this Revox B215 Cassettedeck. I was not very happy with the display and I ordered a new display which was very bright from eBay, and we're going to replace it. First, open the case. Then the top cover. This is the inside. Once I finally had the faceplate off, I had to take the display out. This is the backlit. It's not necessary anymore because the new display is bright from itself. There's a lot of cable management you have to do. This is the old module, and this is the new display. It just snaps in place, and you just put the connector where the old connector was, and then reassemble everything back in its place. And this is the result. As you can see, it's very bright. And also all the functions are there, and it's exactly the same layout as the old display was. I'm very happy with it. It's very good readable, also from a distance. So, thank you again for watching.